Hello everyone, it's Joanne from XOXO Designs by Joanne, and I wanted to welcome you back to my channel. My goal? 10 under 10. You give me 10 minutes or less of your time, and I'll give you a project you can do for under $10. So let's jump right in. For today's 10 under 10, we're going to be decorating these cute little gift bags that I bought at Target for $3.99 for 4 of them. My heat press is starting. We're going to use heat transfer vinyl for this project. So let's get started. The heat press is heated to 320. That's the beeping sound lets you know that it is ready. So what I did was I'm taking the burlap bag and I'm finding the center. So I'm just putting it in half and making a little crease so I know where the center of the bag is. Then I did the same thing with my first part of my design. This design is 2 colors, so I take the first color and I put it in half and I find the middle. So both parts are centered in the middle. Okay. Then you grab your Teflon sheet, put it over your burlap bag, and I'm going to hold it down for 10 seconds. Okay. Now this is a 2-part design, so I'm going to add the second part. I'm going to put it where it belongs on the bag. Okay. I'm going to hold it down for another 10 seconds to adhere the pink heat transfer vinyl. Okay, I'm going to give it one more press for the full 15 seconds. Oops. Okay. Okay. And the first gift bag is completed. It's adorable. It's a cute little extra touch to a birthday gift that you give somebody. Okay, so the next one is also 2 layers. The first layer here have the birthday ever, and what I'm going to do once again is I'm going to fold my bag in half to get to the center. Okay. Then I'm going to fold my HTV vinyl in half to get to the center. Line them up. And put it down for 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm taking the second layer and I'm placing it go again for another 10 seconds. Okay, both are adhered, and I'm going to press it one more time for the full time. And our second bag is complete. Again, fold the bag in half to find your center. This next one has 3 layers. So I'm going to start with the first layer. Okay. Fold it in half to find the center. Okay. Press it down for 10 seconds. Because there's so many layers, I just want to make sure that it's adhered. So I'm just going to press down the next layer, which are pink candles. Actually, and I'm just going to give that a quick press. Just 5 seconds. Just enough for the adhesive backing to stick. All right, then we're going to do the last layer, which are purple. Okay. Put that down for another 5 seconds. Okay, everything is adhered. We're just going to do one more press for the full 15 seconds, or 10 seconds actually. All right. So when you're using your heat press, you have to make sure you never touch this plate. This plate is very hot right now. You could feel the heat coming off of it. You could touch the handles here or this handle here, but nothing else. It's extremely hot. Okay. And that is the third one. And we have one more. Okay. We're going to fold our bag in half again. Put this in the center. Press it for 10 seconds again. Oops. A little piece was not ready, so I just want to press it down one more time. A piece of the U wasn't ready to come up. Okay. Now we put the next piece on. We'll push it down for another 10 seconds. Oops. Okay. Hold it down a little bit more. Another 10 seconds and we are done. Piece of the U fell off, so I won't be able to use this one. It happens, this little piece came off, so it got stuck, so I couldn't use it. Okay, so let me change the camera angle and I'll be right back. Okay, so here are the three. Yes, three. I did start off with 4 and I lost one. You win some, you lose some, and I lost that battle. So these 3 are ready to be filled and given as gifts. I weeded and cut these off camera. If this is something that you're interested in watching me do, please leave that in the comments below so I know. I know when I'm watching some videos, I speed through that process because I know how to weed and I'm looking for tips and ideas and not necessarily watching somebody weed. But if that is something that you're interested in watching me do, please leave that in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this. So I will see you next time for more 10 under 10. Bye.